face locked onto her phone. And I wished I had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and